Footfall counter system using MSP430 LunchBox. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of footfall counter system using MSP430 LunchBox from Rahul Dey. Upon completion of these lectures, learners will be able to understand the basic overview of footfall counter system using MSP430 LunchBox. So let's get it started.
Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Dey. I am from M.Tech EV LSR. My roll number is 2023 EV 3222. And my project is, as you can see, the footfall counter. What it does is basically counts the number of visitors, or you can say that it is the traffic monitoring system, or you can say the visitors counter as well. So what is basically doing is when the person is entering the gate, it will be detected by the IR sensors, which consist of one IR sensor, which is transmitting the IR light, and the photodiode to receive it. And you can see that when the person is standing there in the range of IR sensor, the red light is turned on to show that the person is still there, standing there. When he passes the sensor's range, you can see the counters is increased. To reduce the power consumption used by the system, the counter will be vanished after a few seconds. You can see that. Just to save the power. Then you can see that only one 74LS47 decoder IC is driving two 7-segment IC, 7-segment LEDs. How come it is possible? It is possible because of the time-domain multiplexing. You can see that with the help of two control wires, basically these 7-segment LEDs are common-anodes. So I am taking the common-anode connection from given the common-anode connection to the MSP, so that it can multiplex between two 7-segment LEDs, and the output number will be given to the 74LS decoder IC from the MSP itself. First, it will detect the person. It will send the control input from the pin number 1 of IC358, which is dual op amp IC. The pin number 1 is output of first op amp, so it will be given to the MSP430 LunchBox. From the previous count, it will detect the previous count, and then it will increase the next one. Thank you.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S research. Subscribe now.